Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, depending upon where you're located. My name is Jeff Sandler, ISV manager with Epson, and I'd like to welcome you to the first of what we're calling the Deeper Dive ISV webinar series. And I'm very, very pleased to welcome our first guest for this new series from Epson, Mike Randash from Digitech Systems.
Thanks, Jeff.
Glad you're here, Mike. All right, so first off, here's the agenda we're going to cover. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. Mike's really the featured speaker for today. And again, why don't we just get right into it? Epson is a company that spans a lot of different product categories, as you can tell from the slide that I've got in front of you. But since we're here to talk about document imaging and enabling organizations to be able to manage and improve their user workflows, we're really here to focus on scanner and capture products. And that's obviously a key part of our Epson's go-to-market and product offerings. So when you think about Epson, I'd like to really set the table in terms of how I think you can look at us as an organization. The fact of the matter is Epson is a leader, and we strive to be one as a manufacturer across a wide range of product technology categories, as you saw from the previous slide. But it's not just about the products, it's the fact that we're really committed from an innovation standpoint to deliver the products, services, and solutions that will exceed customer expectations. Finally, something that I'm particularly proud of as an organization is the fact that throughout Epson, there's a real commitment to go the extra mile to ensure long-lasting relationships. And I think that that's something that's really at the heart of how the company, its employees, and I think folks that have worked with us would be able to stand up and say, that's absolutely true. Today, Epson is driving in all key scanner categories, and that includes in the document capture space, in the mobile product category, and in the photo scanning capture as well. Here's a really high-level overview of Epson's commercial scanning portfolio. Of course, we cover the mobile category. We have desktop and workgroup products that are both wired and wireless. And of course, we have a family of flatbed products as well. Now, in particular, in terms of what's new, I'd like to just take a moment and talk about some new, pretty unique products that really top out the range for our workgroup category. And you can see those are highlighted as new and circled in red over on the right. So let's just take a look at how those line up. These two models slot in above our current A4 products that are both workgroup oriented, the DS870 and 970. And as you can see, those two products are at 65 and 85 pages per minute respectively. However, if you really look over at the A3 models, these are a significant step up, not only in terms of speed, but also in terms of their ability to handle extremely large paper, in this case A3, and also with their very powerful high duty cycle of 30,000 and 40,000 pages respectively. So from a highlight standpoint, the models are 70 and 90 pages per minute with a maximum duty cycle of up to 40,000 pages. You can see that they handle paper in both a normal, what I would call standard configuration. But I think one of the unique qualities of this device is the fact that you can actually lay it out flat and use it to be able to handle either delicate or thick media. I've even seen it actually scan, what looks like almost rice paper or newspaper, which to me was, really pretty startling. Really love the compact storage mode, which, again, instead of taking up a lot of real estate, actually enables you to conveniently fold it up and, tuck it away. So again, it's in a compact mode. And of course, it includes great, what I would call standard expected features from a scanning standpoint in terms of paper protection and image enhancement. If you recall earlier, we categorize these as both enterprise, but also potentially could be products that could be used in a service bureau type of an arrangement as well. So again, two new A3 products that we're extremely proud of and really excited about. I also just want to take a moment to highlight Epson's, what we consider best-in-class channel program, the Epson Capture Pro Partner Program. So again, from an overall standpoint, it delivers great margins to our channel partners, sales incentives, for participants. We have a wide array of selling tools, some examples you can see over on the right there. And then we also deliver what I think is outstanding marketing and sales support. Just diving in just a little deeper on the program side, you can see, again, I won't read through all of this, but all of the things that you would expect to see from a channel standpoint are there, certainly in terms of rebates, spiffs, demo programs, et cetera, but also end user incentives as well in terms of free demo scanners, depending upon organizational size, first-time buyer, and the fact that we cover all of these commercial scanners with a 3-year warranty as standard. So again, when I think you look at those things together, we certainly wrap our products and our solution in a great support program as well. One of the benefits of working with Epson, whether it's as an end user or as a channel partner, is what I think is a world-class sales team. I'm going to leave this slide up for just an extra second. You can see what their geography is. But again, Ernie Diaz, Bill Gates, Scott Cahill, and Lee Foster are a world-class team that I think does a great job of supporting our customers and our channel partners. And if you have any questions regarding the channel program or your interest in Epson products, these are the guys to talk to. So, please reach out to them if you have any questions. So when I look at Epson's overall value proposition, again, we talked about leader, innovator, and partner, but I also think it comes down to the fact that we have great products, we're solutions focused, and we've got outstanding channel program and support. And I think all those things together is one of the reasons why Epson is a market leader and driving the category. So with that, what I'd like to do is turn things over to my friend Mike Randesh at Digitech Systems. Mike, take it away.
Yeah, thank you, Jeff. And hello, everyone. I'm Mike Randesh, Vice President of Sales for Digitech Systems. And I want to thank our valued partner, Epson, for the opportunity to discuss Digitech Systems, our products, and how we can extend your scanner sales to provide solutions that meet your customers' business needs while giving you a recurring revenue stream and increased profits. But Digitech Systems has been in business for over 22 years, providing dedicated service to our partners and our customers. We have a full spectrum or a full suite of enterprise content management products. We founded our company, ironically, on digitization or on high volume capture, scanning, indexing. And it's funny how things come full circle. There seems to be much increased interest in today's economy and today's work environment, again, in digitization and capture technologies, and we're going to touch on a little bit of that today. I think it's important to go through our mission. Our mission is to create a competitive advantage for our customers by delivering value-priced, easy-to-use, feature-rich, and architecturally flexible document management software and services supported by legendary customer service. So let's take a look at our full enterprise suite. Today we'll be focused primarily on 2 segments of our suite. We'll be focused on document digitization, as we discussed, sometimes referred to as document capture, and we'll also be focused on our document repository, sometimes referred to as enterprise content management, or ECM. With that said, we want you to know that Digitech Systems has a full ECM suite, and that includes workflow, robotic process automation, and the use of our patented artificial intelligence to automatically recognize documents, classify them, and extract data from them, turning scanned documents into usable business information. So let's take a closer look at capturing documents and storing them in a cloud-based repository as a reliable system of record. First, I'm happy to let you know that if you're selling Epson scanners, most of them are already integrated with our cloud repositories. Digitech Systems has developed a free plugin for the Epson Document Capture Pro software, and the plugin's available on the Epson website and also on the Digitech Systems partner portal. Epson Document Capture Pro accesses our cloud repository to determine the index information, or sometimes called metadata, for collections of documents. And once the document is scanned and indexed, the document is automatically uploaded to our secure cloud repository. So this makes it easy and affordable to scan, index, and upload documents with Epson scanners to the Digitech systems cloud repositories. In addition to the free plugin for Epson Document Capture Pro, we have a subscription-based advanced capture product called PaperVision Scan Pro. This was just recently released, and this product is value priced at a cost of only $30 per month, and it includes image enhancement, optical character recognition, quick click indexing, barcode recognition, database lookup indexing, ability to execute custom code, the ability to monitor, crawl, and import directory structured from network drives, and direct cloud upload export to papervision.com. So the papervision.com repository provides a full-featured and secure system of record in the cloud. And that includes, again, if you look at our background, it includes all the imaging support you would expect to see, and especially the view and annotation of images. We also support over 250 file types without the native application. If it's stored in our repository, you can view it if it's one of those over 250 file types. Check in, check out, version control, encryption and non-repudiation. First, if you don't know the term non-repudiation, think of it as a fingerprint. We take a fingerprint of a document and we check it each time the document is accessed. And in the unlikely event that that fingerprint has changed, our system knows that the document was manipulated outside the control of our system. Again, very secure, very thorough. Sharing, collaboration, the full audit trail, that goes well with encryption, non-repudiation, but every time a document is touched, we log who touched it and the IP address of where it was touched, what kind of action was taken on that document. And we provide Google-like search. There's the ability to search by what you want, not how or where the document was stored. There's no need to drill down through layers of folders to find a document. You just type in your search criteria and our system will search both the index values or the metadata and the contents of the document as well, and bring back a Google-like hit list of the documents that match the search criteria. And finally, records management retention rules. This provides consistency on what documents are being kept, how long they're being kept, and why we're destroying certain documents. Again, with a full audit trail and full reporting that records managers love. So now that we know a little about the Digitech software and how it can extend a scanner sale to provide full business solutions, let's take a look at how to find sales opportunities. Our system of record is focused on high value content, governed content, and content that needs to be shared. And you can ask your customers or your prospective clients questions about what they do with documents after they scan them. How are they shared? How do you search to find the correct documents? Is the customer audited? Do they have compliance concerns? Are documents needed outside the wall of the organization, either by employees or business partners? And of course, in today's work environment, the answer is almost always yes. Organizations are looking for ways to securely share high-value documents while also having a full audit trail of who touched a document and when and how it was touched. And that's papervision.com. And papervision.com is easy to understand and easy to sell. It's a perfect addition to bundle with your Epson scanner sales. Papervision.com provides a per user per month pricing model with the ability to purchase at a tier that has only the required functionality, allowing your customers to purchase what they truly need. And our tiered concurrent license is unique in the industry. It allows customers to share licenses and even make licenses available outside of their organization by leveraging the concurrent licensing model. And as we briefly discussed, PaperVision Scan Pro is also available on a monthly subscription model, and it provides that advanced document capture functionality, and it's integrated directly with papervision.com in the cloud. It's as easy as going to papervision.com for additional information and resources. You'll find case studies, videos, sales information, pricing. You can also, there's some downloadable product sheets and pricing information, things that you can share with your customers and your prospects. So let's talk about the 4 easy steps to recurring profits for your organization. Step number 1, sign the papervision.com dealer agreement. The nice thing about our dealer agreement is there's no cost and there's no financial obligation. It couldn't be any easier for you to be in the business with papervision.com and Scan Pro. we can have you signed up by tomorrow and be working with you on opportunities. With that, you're going to get free software for training and demonstration purposes. You're going to get our sales support, and you're going to get access to our partner portal that provides all the tools you need for onboarding and to get up to speed on our products and your sales process. Step number 2, download the free software. Get a copy of our add-in for Epson Document Capture Pro. Again, it's free, and it provides that ability for that Epson scanner to release directly to our cloud repositories. Get your demonstration versions of papervision.com and Scan Pro. Get those set up and get ready for training and demonstration purposes. And go ahead and configure your Epson scanner to scan to cloud and start scanning some documents into the free versions of papervision.com that you're getting to learn our products. Then engage with the Digitech system sales team. You can reach our sales team at salessupport@digitechsystems.com. We'll help you with your sales presentations. We'll help you with your demos. We'll also turn those over to you. So we'll give you both presentations, and we'll help you load demos that you can do live on papervision.com. We'll help get that set up. For example, we'll give you an accounts payable demonstration or an HR demonstration that you can walk through with your customers. The next part is cashing checks. Receive the recurring revenue profit margin. You're already familiar with the profitable Epson partner program, and now you can add our software from Digitech Systems to add recurring profit to those Epson sales. And while we do provide those free papervision.com onboarding sessions with your customers, you also have the ability to add additional products and services to the Digitech products. We also have a professional services team that can assist you with your more complex implementations, especially if they include process automation, workflow, those types of things. But our agreement is with you, and we give you the ability to mark up our professional services and make a profit on that as well. And there might be a step number 5 for some of you. 4 easy steps, but if you want to get into more information and into larger implementations, we do have the full enterprise suite. And some of you are going to want to add the additional products and the additional steps. Our process automation, our artificial intelligence-based products provide additional opportunities. That includes workflow, process automation, intelligent automation, and it really allows you to help your customers with more complex business opportunities and process automation opportunities. Since we're focused on scanning for the webinar today, I'm going to just take one look at our Forms Magic product to give you an idea what can be done there. We had an analyst organization recently give us a platinum award for our products, and as they looked at Forms Magic, they had this to say, and I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. Seeing the PaperVision Forms Magic technology in action, we were instantly impressed. It's like facial recognition for documents, and it's unlike any recognition technology VLI has seen to date among leading document workflow solutions. So Forms Magic automatically sorts or classified scanned documents. And as you run into customers that are requiring higher speed scanners, they're pushing more volume. They don't want to do all that document prep work on the front end. They want the software to assist them and reduce some of the manual work that they need to do. Once a document is classified, so our AI engine will automatically learn documents. And once a document is classified, data can automatically be extracted from it. We typically can do this over 95% of the time, classify that accurately, and be able to automatically extract data from those documents. So our goal is to get from that scanned image, which, as we all know, is basically a picture with no usable data, automatically recognize what type of document that is and turn it into usable business information, eliminating most manual data entry. You can see on the right side of the screen that Forms Magic automatically recognized the document type and then automatically extracted the data from it. Other common examples of this type of automation include AP invoices, product orders, customer onboarding documents, applications, contracts. Really, any type of structured document is a good candidate for automation with Forms Magic. So let's take a little humorous look at the world of records management. We have Dilbert, an oldie but goodie, walking to the records retention center, sees the records manager and says, these valuable documents should be stored for 5 years. The records manager picks up the documents, walks over to the trash can, and thinks to himself, this job got so much easier when I realized that nobody ever asked for anything back. And while it makes a little fun of physical records management and maybe a little bit humorous, it's not humorous if you're looking for those documents. And all too often, we have a difficult time in our organizations finding the documents that are important to what we're doing. Not only that, we have a new problem in that we have a lot of people working remotely. And even if your customer is running the best records retention center, we may not be able to access it physically. Not everybody's in the office or nobody's in the office. We need access to those digitized documents remotely outside of the walls of our organization. We're definitely in an unexpected business climate, and company priorities are changing, and papervision.com is positioned to help organizations reach business goals and address the new priorities. Papervision.com provides any document, anywhere, at any time. So in summary, the advantage of Digitech systems and increased profits with our products, secure high-value content, unlimited cloud availability, full audit trail, complete data integrity, full records retention, complete imaging functionality, the ability to also help your customers with process automation projects, always in compliance with their compliance needs, track record of over 22 years of success, and a strong Epson relationship between Digitech Systems and Epson.
All right, Mike, thanks so much. That was great. Folks, if you've got any questions for Mike or myself or anyone on the Epson team, here's his contact information, as well as my information as well. And I'll leave this up for just a second. With that, I would like to say thank you to Mike for his time today and for what I think was a really great overview presentation of Digitech and their, the opportunity that they present, and obviously one that works hand in glove with the Epson scanners. I'd also like to extend my thanks to each and everybody that's on this call today. I know your time's valuable. We appreciate that, and we appreciate the opportunity to present some information to you about Epson and our ISV partners that hopefully can help add value to you and increase your opportunities out in the marketplace today. So with that, again, thank you everyone for your time. And again, if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. So thanks, stay safe, and again, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye now.